Today, I am going to tell you how you can earn as an affiliate using GoDaddy's affiliate program. What you will have to do is that just type GoDaddy affiliate in Google search and click this link, affiliate program. This is GoDaddy's affiliate program. You can earn cash from sales when you promote any of the GoDaddy's products. What products GoDaddy is offering? So now we will see that. GoDaddy is offering domain names. These are the products and the prices. Similarly, GoDaddy's other products are WordPress hosting plans, all the pricing over here. And another thing is GoDaddy is also providing hosting, website hosting, and WordPress hosting, business hosting. These are all the products that GoDaddy is providing for you. And business emails also, and these are the pricing. So you will have to bring customers on this website. If you will bring customers to GoDaddy's website and the customers will purchase any of these services, any of these products, then GoDaddy will pay you money for this. GoDaddy will give you cash. So let's join this. Hit the join now button. We are on sign up form, and this is CJ Affiliate Publisher site. CJ stands for Commission Junction. So let's fill this form. Okay, now your account is created. Now you have to write the email, write your password, and click login. Okay, finally we are logged now. Just get started. Now you will have to complete your profile. First of all, when date email is done, now you will have to enter the user information, add user information. Okay, you can see the 2 steps are completed. Now you will have to complete your network profile. Okay, just hit this edit button. Here you will have to write your strengths. You will have to write your business goals. You will have to write the details so that the advertisers will attract and will give you ads. Just fill this here, and then let's move towards the next step. After completing your network profile, you will have to complete this step. That is, you will have to add a promotional property. What is promotional property? Promotional property means if you have any website or blog, means the place where you will advertise the ads from your advertisers. Okay, just click this create property button, and here you will have to define your property. Is it a website or any social, like it's a Facebook or Instagram or YouTube or any social website, or is it an email, or is it any mobile app, or is it a browser extension? Then you will have to fill all these details. Or it is a service and tools, or paid display ads. So you will have to fill all these things. Then you will have to define your promotional model, and then after completing all the information, just hit this submit button. Okay, again you will have to go to onboarding checklist to check if all the steps are completed. Then you will have to enter the company details and submit tax forms. Hit this submit form button. Okay, here you will have to click this edit icon. Just write your password over here. Now you will have to complete this tax information. If you are US person, then you will have to click this link. And if you are non-US person, then you will have to click this link. After this, your tax information will be completed. Now come towards the onboarding checklist again to see the next step. Okay, after all these steps, the two steps are left, that is provide your payment information. You will have to add the information about your payment, means you will have to write your PayPal email or the other information that will be asked. Okay. Finally, you will have to answer some questions. You will have to answer these questions. Just fill these answers and hit this button. After this, you will have to click here, activate account, and your account will be activated. And after activation, what you will have to do is that you will have to just go to this advertisers link. Here you will find all the advertisers, and you can apply and you can earn the commission if you will promote their products and somebody will purchase that product. You can apply to get an affiliate against these advertisers. So you will have to just click this apply button for each advertiser that you want to join. After this, if you are joined, if they have accepted your request, then you can find the ad or link using this button. Just you will have to click this button and you will get all the links and banners that you can display on your website or blog, or you can simply share the links to your friends using WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube or any other thing, or you can email the banners and links to your contacts using email, and you will have to just copy this link from here and you can share it to anyone. Similarly, you can get all the advertisement stuff from here. And this is how you can work as an affiliate and promote the products of your applied advertisers. And if somebody will purchase the product, then your commission will be displayed over here.